Hello! Okay, drum roll. Yes, we had another month of strong sales and price increases. But April's number of sales was less than March. Should we be worried? Nope. Here's the scoop. Well, we had less inventory come on market, so if there are less homes for buyers to buy, then our number of sales will reflect this. It's just the flow of real estate. We still had a very strong month of sales, and we saw price growth in all segments. The first few months of the year is where we saw that crazy growth. Now we are seeing reasonable growth. Here's the percentage of growth from the previous month. Detached home prices grew 1.35%, semi-detached grew 1.99%, row townhouses grew 2.27%, and apartment homes grew 2.52%. Now this may seem small compared to those teen numbers we saw back a few months ago, but let's put this into perspective. If we take a $500,000 home and it grows 1.3% month over month, in 5 months it'll be worth over $530,000. Okay, so it's clear that if anyone is thinking of buying, the sooner they can do so, the better off they will be. But what about selling? Should you wait? Well, it depends on your overall situation. If you need to sell now, do it. It's a seller's market. If you want to sell and buy, it will be much the same. You sell low, you buy low, you sell high, you buy high. So timing would be based on your personal situation. You will never be able to time the market. Our stats are always in hindsight. Here's something that's concerning me right now. Some sellers are still putting their homes on the market at a very low price, similar to what we saw in January and February, when we were creating these new prices. I suppose their mindset is to encourage a large competition. But here's the thing. We now have months of sales at this new pricing, so we know what a home at minimum should be worth. Yet, some sellers are listing way lower. Why? They may as well list at $1. Despite buyers seeing the average sale price, it confuses them. Is the seller indicating their home is worth less? The higher the spread from the list price to what the final price needs to be, the harder it is to get the buyer there. Buyers will always have that listed price in mind. Some may not even be able to afford the actual price the seller wants. It can be overwhelming for buyers. A lot of these listings are getting offers at prices below today's market value and quite frankly well below what they would accept anyway as a price. It's in everyone's best interest for a seller to list closer to today's values. There's still the opportunity to list at a price that will encourage multiple offers.